Know why the guy said to stay on the blacktop.
Did you see that alligator slide?
Alligator slide
Yeah.
closed on Friday, one way. Okay, we're back at the cross dike. Continuing on. I believe we have 2 miles to go, but I'm not sure.
6 miles.
Oh, right. Yeah, once you get to the end, he said it was like 4 miles up the road, which is fine. Getting my exercise for the day. Got some kind of an overlook here. Observation tower. Look, they got field glasses. That's what you'd want to do, put something up to your eyeball. No, thank you.
Bring your own.
Yep, we should have brought our own. Oh, there's 2 miles. Yep, see? We got 2 miles left, I do believe. And the current's flowing nice. A lot of birds. I'll have to sanitize my face if I put it up to that thing. I think it's just not a good idea. Dude's fishing off of that bridge.
Yeah.
Parking on right side only.
What do we got out there?
Heck if I know.
Alligator guy.
Too bad I know 100% for sure drone use is illegal in the national park system. I found that out early on. Luckily, they weren't too mad about it because I was looking at our trailers. Yep, got a pelican. And that's insulting to the swan.
We like pelicans.
Man, I gotta work out today. So what do we got left to do? You said? That's it? One last item. Then we gotta go back to work.
Yeah.
2.5. Look like they know what they're doing. They got some shrimp, Florida tags. So we got another boat ramp, huh? Yeah, I think if I had Mike's canoe, I'd bring it down here, I think. I don't know. I don't know that much about fishing down here. Not canoe, I mean kayak. There's another kayak launch. People out there kayaking. Seemed like it'd be a good place to sneak up on some fish. Cost you $10 to get in unless you had a pass, though. Colin's Point.
Okay. Who would name their kid Cole?
I don't know.
Maybe they thought he was a real shithead.
Maybe. Yeah, this road goes quite a ways in here, don't it? I wonder if that guy knew I had my GoPro going. Mile 3. We're getting close to the end.
What do you mean, Andrew?
What's that? I had my GoPro filming as he was saying all that stuff. Holding up traffic, you know.
Get over here.
Yep. I think I see some fish hiding out there. Another pull off. What is it called? We're first key trail, quarter mile to the overlook, it said.
Hear it?
What? Clicking?
Started rubbing.
Another pelican.
Something just started rubbing.
Oh, he just caught a fish. It's actually pretty hot today.
It is now.
3.5.
See, there's straight.
Yeah, I seen that. My hand went to sleep.
My butt did.
So many miles we got in today? 16 so far. I guess we have gone 25 or 26 before.
I ask you a question?
Sure.
Where did you get your bike flag? Oh, did it?
Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah. Any bike shops could sell them.
Oh,
Any bike shop. Yeah.
thank you.
They're good to have. I forgot mine today.
Yeah, I like them. I just could never find them.
Yeah, just any bike shop. Yeah.
Okay.
This is it. We're back out on the street. What's that? Yeah, they had nice bikes.
Yeah, they were cool.
I thought we were back to the street. Maybe not.
No, you still have
Still gotta wait
mile to
half
go.
mile.
Probably got colder now. Unless it's true and it is 6 miles.
No,
Okay.
I think it said 3.9 or something. I was thinking it was like 4 for some reason because it cost $1, and I was thinking to myself, quarter a mile.